Would you get down? We're going to be late for Albin Saiji's birthday.
I hope there will be cheese at Albin Saiji's birthday party. You know how much I like cheese. Happy birthday, Albin Saiji.
Happy birthday, Albin Saiji.
Happy birthday, Albin Saiji.
Happy birthday, my friend Albin Saiji.
Happy birthday, Albin Saiji.
Breaking news. It's Albin Saiji's birthday today? And in other news, scientists prove that cats are smarter than dogs. There's no way you could get 8 cats to pull a sled through the snow.
Happy birthday, Albin Saiji.
Happy birthday, Albin Saiji.
Happy birthday, Albin Saiji. Happy birthday, Albin Saiji.
Happy birthday, Albin Saiji.
Happy birthday, Albin Saiji.
Happy birthday, Albin Saiji.
I have studied many philosophers and many cats. The wisdom of cats is infinitely superior.
Please subscribe, give us a like, and share this video, so we can grow our happy little community of cat lovers. Now, let's get Albin Saiji's party started.